measurement confirms the precise weight of our industrial line bundles, guaranteeing consistency for our customers. Welcome to the industrial line color section. As you can see, these vats are producing the vibrant shades you know and love. Here at the Industrial Line factory, we handle an incredible volume of raw hair, ensuring consistent supply for our products. Here we have the full spectrum of the industrial line. Note the resilience of the straight fibers compared to these deep waves. Here at Industrial Line, we handle the largest volume of raw human hair globally. This section alone holds enough material for 250,000 wigs. "25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 30, dough." All right, team, keep the bundles moving towards the stainless steel vats. We need to clear the receiving area now.
Sanitization, we use the Industrial Line antimicrobial solution. Open the safety cap like this.
Adjusting the angle slightly. Yes, exactly like that. Much smoother.
Guarantee this level of transformation. Look at the difference between the before and the after.
This is the Industrial Line spectrum. I'm noting the popular shades, specifically the medium ash blonde and the deep auburn.
Check the alignment on this strand.
Yes, that meets the quality standard.
To complete the bundle, pull the precision thread taut. Secure the knot firmly and snip the excess flush with the bundle.
Automation ensures rapid and accurate distribution. Efficiency is key.
You see the raw, tangled state here. But watch what the industrial line does. Now that is silky smooth perfection.
For treatment. Using the industrial line process, we achieve this incredibly smooth finish.
Remy hair maintains the natural cuticle alignment, making it smooth. Non-Remy hair has disrupted cuticles, which cause the international labels match the manifest. We are good to go. Industrial line shipment complete.
Before using the industrial line, my hair was a tangled mess. But look at the results now. Silky, smooth, and ready for anything.
Cuticle alignment. This is true Remy hair, perfectly smooth. But when the cuticles are disrupted,